Lesson 2. Introducing yourself.
Objective. Students will learn how to introduce themselves by sharing basic information, such as their name, age, nationality, and interests.
Key vocabulary. My name is. I am years old. I am from. I live in. I work as a. I am a student. Nice to meet you. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? What do you do?
Dialogue 1. Formal introduction. Situation. Two people meet at a business event.
Good afternoon. My name is James Carter. What's your name?
Good afternoon. I'm Sarah Lee. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from? I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from the United States. Do you work here?
Yes, I work as a marketing manager. How about you?
I'm an IT consultant.
Dialogue 2. Informal introduction. Situation. Two students meet on their first day of class. Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
Hi, Alex. I'm Mia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Spain. How old are you?
I'm 18. What about you?
I'm 19. Dialogue 3. Self-introduction in a group. Situation. A student introduces themselves in front of the class.
Hello, everyone. My name is David. I'm 20 years old, and I'm from Australia. I'm a university student studying engineering. I love playing soccer and listening to music. Nice to meet you all.
Thank you for your watching my video.